Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class I am going to explain about Newton's laws of motion. In this Newton's first law of motion I am going to discuss now. This is also called as law of inertia. Here, what is the definition of law of inertia? Here see, the state of the body remains same. That means rest is in rest, motion is in motion. The state of the body remains same unless an external force is applied on the body. Unless an external force is applied on the body remains in the same state. Means rest. The body, if the rest body is in the rest, it is in the rest only. Remains in the rest only. If the body is under motion, it continues in the motion only, unless apply an external force on the body. The state of the body will not be changed. This is called law of inertia or law of Newton's first law of motion. Here, why we can say Newton's first law and law of inertia are same? Both give same definition. Inertia means continuity of the body remains in the same state unless external force is applied on the body. So the continuity of body express the inertia. Unless you apply a force on a body, the body will continue in the same state. It's called inertia. This is also called as Newton's first law of motion. Inertia depends on mass of the body. If the body have heavy mass, the inertia will continue. Inertia will be more. Example: heavy rock difficult to move. Though you applied a force, heavy force, you need heavy force to change the state of the huge rock, big rock, because it is having heavy mass. Similarly, empty lorry, easy to stop or easy to control or easy to turn. If it is load lorry, suddenly you cannot stop. You need to apply heavy force to stop the lorry, or suddenly cannot turn, suddenly cannot control. That means a tendency of the motion or tendency of the rest will continue because of its mass. More mass, more inertia. Less mass, less inertia. So mass is depends on inertia. Inertia is two types. One is inertia of the rest, and another one is inertia of the motion. Now we are going to discuss about inertia of the rest. The continuity of rest body. For example, caroms. When we place caroms in the middle of the carom board and hit with striker, then only the carom move. Only one, the carom which you strike by the striker only moves along with striker. Remaining caroms fall down there itself. That means rest will continue. Rest position of the caroms will continue. And second one, when you place a ball on cardboard and the cardboard is placed on the empty bottle. If you remove cardboard suddenly, the ball will fall down in the bottle. This is also example for continuity of the rest. Next one, when you shake the branches, the fruits cut from the branch because the fruits are under rest position. Suddenly changing motion. suddenly create the motion in the branches or shaking of the branches, disturb the continuity of rest position of the fruits and cut from the, that is why fruits are in the continuity position of the rest and cut remove from the branches, cut from the branches. Next one, dust particles fall down when you create movement in the carpet. Sudden movement in the carpet, dust particles fall down there itself because the dust particles are already in the rest position. Suddenly creates motion or movement in the carpet, suddenly shaking the carpet. The dust particles fall down there itself because they are under the rest position. They will continue the state of the rest. These are the example for inertia of rest. Next, inertia of the motion means the continuity of the motion. When you jump from running bus or running train, you will fall down. Why? Your body under the continuity of the motion. Suddenly jump from the train or bus, moving bus or moving train, you will fall down because your body is under continuity of the motion. So to avoid that problem, what you have to do, you also run. When you jump from the train or bus, you also run with the same speed until you control your body. You have to run along with the bus with the same speed to control your body. Otherwise, you will fall down with the same speed. Second one, when driver applies brakes in the bus suddenly, unknowingly, what will happen? Our body fall into front. Our body in the bus fall towards the front because we don't apply any force, because we don't know driver is applying brakes. So our body is continuous motion. Suddenly applying the brake by the bus, that means bus is stopped suddenly. Your body is under the continuous motion, so fall down. Cause for the fall down. Next one, athlete runs before long jump to increase his length. Because of running, his body can move. When he takes the jump, his body also move as per the speed of his running. Because of that, his length of the jump will increase. These are the examples for inertia of the motion. Before going to close, I want to repeat the main points. Newton's first law or law of inertia. Unless external force applied on the body is under same state. Rest is rest, motion is motion. This also law, this property called inertia. Inertia depends on mass. Whose mass, whose inertia. Less mass, less inertia. And next one, inertia are two types. Inertia of the rest means continuity of rest or continuity of motion. And also we discuss some examples for inertia of the rest and inertia of the motion. Thank you for watching. That's all for now.